What's saying, YouTube? World War Mini here. Just doing a quick little review. I just picked this up off AliExpress for no more than $10, and I got one with clips, and I didn't pay any more. Some of them advertise more when they have clips. I don't know. Just look for the cheapest one, to be honest. It's not the most expensive of products. So let's take a look at the actual unit, so you can see. It's actually pretty nice. Spins. One thing I've noticed though, if you have, I'm using just some hobby wire here for little tools, but they go down too far when you turn it. Sometimes they get stuck. Actually, that ain't happening today. It's good. But yeah, no, it's nice. Perfect for row wheels. Get those in there. Those are just standard bamboo sticks, so you can pick those up at the dollar store. It's not an issue. Okay, give me a second here. Alright, now this is a 172 scale tank, just to give you an idea of how large it is. Lots of room. There's a 132nd Tiger 1, so that's pretty big on my end. As large as the tanks I do, unless I'm doing maybe a YAG or something around there, heavy tank. So you can see fits perfectly, lots of room. Obviously you can prop it up if you got to get in with your details there, but as you can see there's lots of room there. And just on that same subject, here's a turret, so it just sticks out. Just be careful when you're spinning around. There's lots of room there. It's a great product for $10. You see a lot of these other ones out there for, they're charging $30 for. It's a little lazy Susan. Last thing I'll show you guys is just a figure. I usually use a can because I like the weight. It just helps me stabilize, and I use this as just an even more of a something to bring it up. It's actually nice, and it just sits there nice. If I move, it moves with me. It's not like there's much resistance. And these little lines that are in here, they fit nicely in the groove there. So it's just another thing if you're working on your figures. Another good. Now the accessories, it comes with these clips, which are pretty cool. They're padded so you won't screw anything up. I haven't actually used them yet. Whatever. Might be better for like a piece of a tank or the side. There's two different size holes. That was my one thing with this. They're pretty loose. That's the second hole. That's obviously meant for these ones, but if you had anything weighted on there, it's gonna fall over. So I haven't used these as much. Comes with these little wood ones too. But I like that there's a variety of large, small holes. So you got different things. But so far I find the best is just regular bamboo skewers in the large hole, and that fits perfectly. It ain't going anywhere. You could even airbrush on this, do your painting if you want to muck it up. It's still brand new, so I haven't done that yet. And yeah, thanks for stopping in there. World War Mini out. Make sure you guys snipe a sub and stay in cover. Peace.